Guys, how's it going? This is Gerald Harris, creator of the House Flipping Guide YouTube channel, also the creator of the House Flipping Family Facebook group. If you all haven't done it yet, please take the time to subscribe. But I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to talk about a topic that I really haven't talked about at all. And really that's how to make money online with no money. How to make money online with no money. It dawned on me recently that I have an aspect of the business that I really don't either talk about or bring attention to or whatever it is. And it's this residual passive income that comes in that I don't think about because it's not necessarily like real estate investing related, but these are real estate investing techniques. So let me go ahead and break down to you four ways that I generate income with no money put out, right? How to make money. And all this is done, for the most part, is done online. So the first one is affiliate income. What I would tell you all is look for different affiliates to sign up with. Years ago, I signed up with an affiliate, and I remember one time, me and my wife were sitting on the couch. This is probably about maybe 4 years ago or something like that. We were sitting on the couch, and all of a sudden we get a check in the mail for like $200. And I'm looking back, and I'm like, where did this come from? I think it was like around Christmas time or something like that. $200 just pops up in the mail. Come to find out, it was an affiliate that I had signed up for that somebody somehow found the link that I didn't really even put out there. They found the link, went ahead and bought something through the link. And the funny part about it is when I retract whatever it is they bought, that item, I guess around the time that they bought it and they acquired it, that item that same month was like discontinued or something like that. But I got like $200 off of something that I put virtually no effort into. And it was a real estate investing. It was a piece of real estate investing software that somebody had bought, and the company had given me a referral fee or an affiliate fee. Another one that I signed up for years ago was Investor Carrot, right? I signed up for their affiliate program. And one of the things that's really been happening month after month after month, one of the things, and I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take a screenshot. And I want you all to see that screenshot. It's like a little over $1,500. But the amount of effort that I put into something like that is virtually non-existent. So how that came about was years ago, someone had asked me if I knew of a company that had websites where they went ahead and they created websites, great websites. I gave this individual my link. I went ahead and I emailed it to him. And I think what happened at that time, what they did was they went ahead, bought the product, went ahead and sent it out to a bunch of people. Because that next month, my check was, like I said, this is things that I didn't necessarily at the time, I didn't pay attention to. It's affiliate income, yet still real estate related. So it's just me giving an affiliate link to someone and someone buying through it, and the company goes ahead and gives me just a small slice. Another one, another way to go ahead and make money online with no money, for me now, a lot of JV partnerships. So what's happened is, as you all can see, over 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. And so many of you all have joined the House Flipping Family Facebook group, where I get a lot of private messages, a lot of emails, a lot of private messages, a lot of, hey, Gerald, is this a deal? Hey, Gerald, is this a deal? Hey, Gerald, would you like to partner, Gerald? Okay. And there's a partnership that happens, and then away you go, right? And so what money did I have to go ahead and put out in order to receive that? Nothing. No money. Another way to go ahead and make money is, I would say, one of the things that I'm seeing is YouTube. Let me go ahead and look at my notes here. YouTube. YouTube. Guys, if you're listening to me right now, start a YouTube channel. When you get up to a certain point, and I think it's 4,000 hours in a month or amount of subscribers, I think it's 1,000 subscribers, something like that. You can start placing YouTube ads on your account. You're literally making money off of videos that videos that help people. YouTube goes ahead and they monetize those videos and they pay you a check. Guys, that cost me no money. Think about how to make money online with no money. That cost me no money. It just cost me time. Had to go ahead and invest time to go ahead and create videos. Trust me, it's well worth it. Okay, I'm telling you. And the last one is referral income. So what that is, and it kind of goes along the lines with the affiliate income. So I got contacted several weeks ago by someone who needed a loan, right? Someone who needed a loan. And so I know people who go ahead and give loans, right? I go ahead, match those up. And the person that went ahead and created the loan, closed the deal, they'll give me a small fee. There's so many ways to go ahead and to make money online with no money, but they take your effort. Okay. For me, this was not difficult work. For a lot of you that are making, let's say you're making $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a year, right? You can make that up with effort. The funny part about it is I'm looking at this, and this has nothing to do with the real estate aspect of the income that I make. This is all like free money, right? Think about it. Many of you are online every day, right? A lot of you are doing a lot of different things. Just be strategic about what it is you want to do. Think about it, guys. So affiliate income, referral income, YouTube ads, JV partnerships, those are just four. Those are the four ways that I'll go ahead and I'll generate income without without starting up anything, without pulling money out of my pocket, without doing anything. You know what I mean? Because a lot of people think, you need startup capital. You need no money. Listen to me. You need no money to go ahead and to start making money online. The beauty about what it is I do is it brings about a lot of real estate investing business. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So check this out. I'm going to have a screenshot of a copy of what I made from one of these small affiliates for 1 month. I'm going to have some links in the description. If you all want to go ahead and join those affiliates, feel free. If not, if this is not you and you're not in the real estate investing niche, you can still make this happen. There's so many different niches out there. It's ridiculous, right? How to make money online with no money. But you have to give out some effort. Is it possible? All day. There are people making millions of dollars. And I'm just talking about this right here. There are people making millions of dollars doing this. It's very possible. I just didn't see it like that, in a sense. You know what I mean? So anyways, guys, if y'all found value in the video, please click the like button. Also share it with family and friends. please feel free to subscribe to the channel and